What's going on, everyone? For this video, we're going to be going to Tiana's farm to look at some of the farm birds and translate some of those words into Anishinaabe for you. All right, let's get to the video. Okay, so for our first word today, if you couldn't already tell, it's going to be chicken. Say that, you're going to say baba kwe. Now, you might be able to guess why a chicken's called baba kwe. It's kind of... There we go. All right, let's move on to the next word. Okay, so we're here in the chicken coop, and that's going to be our next word. To say that, you're going to say baba kwe gamig. I'll say it again, baba kwe gamig. And gamig is just the word for like a structure or something like that. That's why it makes it a chicken coop. All right. For our next word, we're going to teach you how to say eggs. To say that is real simple. Excuse me. To say that is real simple, you're going to say walwin. Now to say eggs, if you have 2 eggs, you're going to say wawanoon. I'll say it again, wawanoon. And that's eggs. All right, let's move on to the last word. Okay, so for our last word, if you couldn't already tell, we're going to teach you how to say turkeys. Now to say that, you're going to say getche bene. I'll say it again, getche bene. And that's turkeys. All right. All right, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Please check back in next week. Don't forget to like and share. Bama P, everyone.